Migrant labor protests, spontaneous or organized. Massive protests that erupted within few hours after the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address to the nation near Bandra in Mumbai or at Surat in Gujarat on Tuesday evening has thrown a challenge to both the state and central governments. Where protests spontaneous or organized is a million-dollar question, as thousands of interstate migrant laborers came onto the street, springing a surprise on the law enforcing authorities. While a section of the media blown out proportion, the incident alleging the Modi government has failed to address the problems of millions of migrant laborers who were stranded in various states across the country. Contrary to the view, another section of media found the protests were well calibrated by the opposition only to put spokes in the government's efforts to contain the dreaded coronavirus pandemic. This media has succeeded in identifying the fake news being spread on the social media, misleading already restless migrant laborers lodged in various shelter homes that the center has rescheduled train and bus services. That resulted hundreds of migrant laborers either in Mumbai or Gujarat or elsewhere in the country to rush towards the nearby railway stations and bus stations in their anxiety to return back home. Many suspect the Bandra incident was also organized to embrace the coalition government headed by Shiv Sena Supremo Uddhav Thackeray. The Nationalist and Vadra Congress, which came together to foist Uddhav Thackeray as the chief minister in their bid to keep the single largest party BJP away, were apparently co-conspirators of the Bandra incident. Meanwhile, similar incidents of Bandra type, though in small numbers, were also reported from many states, including both the Telugu states. However, the arrest of a fake news spreader by Mumbai police has brought under control all over the country by respective state governments. The centre and majority of states are on the same page, and the 19-day extension of lockdown was a collective decision as the Prime Minister had taken the final call after holding consultations with all chief ministers of states as well as union territories. In that backdrop, some discarded parties who were desperate to puncture the centre's efforts failed yet again. Interestingly, the former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu's clarion call to the opposition parties to restrain from politicizing the nation's fight against COVID-19 appears to have gone well with the people across the country. Naidu made it clear that this is not the time to score political points and commended the Prime Minister Modi for leading the fight against the pandemic from the front. He also described Modi efforts to a statesman like politicians. This is K. Ramakrishna for Orange News 9 TV.